Hi girls, it's Jenny Penton, founder of Planner Perfect, and in today's video is the July planner and journal subscription box reveal. Hi you guys, I know, long overdue, but sometimes these things happened to me. If you're new, I want to welcome you to my channel. I coach women how to write a better story for their lives, and in this video, I'm going to do a reveal of the planner and journal subscription box that we offer monthly. It has my artwork on it, and truly just inspired by the seasons. And in this box, it is watercolor. It has some Independence Day fun stuff in it. I do have a lot of women that are out of the States, so I was conscious of that as I painted. I have accessories and all of that is new, and all of it is watercolor. So let's take a look. Okay, here we are. Here is the sub box reveal for July. I'm going to take some of this off now. It normally comes in a protective cover, and there's some other things that just are not within this video, but rest assured. I'm going to slide it aside and show you the books for July. So in this one, I used artwork from accessories to be the books for July. Now, sometimes I'll do more of a 4th of July theme for books, but I thought I'd save that more for some accessories this time, especially since I have a lot of people not in the US. I thought this was a perfect way to still celebrate July. This was the surfboard I had in my stickers. I think I had it in my tip-ins too, but I just loved it. I thought it represented smack dab in the middle of summer really, really well. I did Hawaiian backdrop flowers for the back of this that really coordinated well with the front. And I love it, and I hope that you guys do too. It's just summer, the epitome of summer. And then my coconuts. I'm in love with my coconuts. I think it's just perfect and cute, beautifully themed together. Coconut vibes and sunny skies is the quote I wanted on it for your journal. This is .grid. You can pick your inside pages in our store. For the planner itself, it's .grid. So you've got your weeks, you've got your goals in the beginning. And if you're new to me, please check out more of my videos, and I have a playlist for getting started on this method. This method isn't just about the newest, next, greatest planner. It's about moving the needle in your life. And so I create covers for the journals and the planners for you to be able to be really intentional and script out a life that you dream yourself to be in. And that's what these planners are about. So here we've got this, and here's the back. Check it. And again, I love having them vibe together, and it just definitely does. No matter how you slice it, it looks good together. So loving this. I'm always just as much eager to get it as you guys are, because I'm painting these on watercolor paper, and then I send them off to printers and the warehouse and blah, blah. And then by the time I get them back, I'm just as eager to see how it translated to books. So we've got washi. I definitely did it Independence Day themed. So I've got a really cute kind of a blue, red, and white plaid. I've got a solid this time of a red, and I did stars. So I thought it was just appropriate and fun. You just really want to bang out those fun accessories for, since Independence Day is such a huge, for us in the US to celebrate. But that is what I got. And then I do have a solid red in there. And stars. I mean, you just can't go wrong. So here, look at guys. I did a USA gnome, but I want to get this opened here. Okay, so I've got the wrapper off here. Let me just show you some of the new work that's in here, but I've got a really cute, fun 4th of July gnome. I painted a tent. Again, this is all watercolor, but I painted a tent and I just wrote under the stars. I thought, cute. I know I've been doing camping, girls. I don't know if you have yet. I've kind of got a 4th of July fun cupcake a hot air balloon. I've got the gnome on the cute July calendar for July. You get 2 of each, so there's 12 total. And my cute Bomb Pop from last year, or at least Bomb Pop colors. And it says Happy 4th. So that is the fun tip-ins, which these are to tip in your planners. You tip them in. You can give them as gifts. You can write addendums on the back for your planning. You can write a list. Maybe you take it with you. You can give it to a friend. You know, poke a hole here with twine around a wine bottle or ribbon and give it to them with a wine bottle. You know, the sky's the limit with these. It's just pieces of artwork from me to you. Then the stickers. Okay, let's show off the independent side first. I've got 2, you get 4 sets of stickers. So I did one more just summer and then some independent. So we got a little bit of both. But as you can see, I've got some of the tip-in work on there. So we've got the, I just love how we change these out as well. Got the gnome. We've got remember the Independence girl here. We've got the ice cream. I mean, totally 4th. I did a heart in watercolor here with the flag within the heart. So, and you know, brought back some of the goodies with the little 4th of July flag here. Hydrangea, really just red, white, and blue all together. Watermelon, I mean, hi. And then we've got this one with some new artwork in here. We've got some of that I pulled from even just last month, but yet these were on the covers, so I made sure to bring these back. Can you even have enough? I don't think so, because when I get my stickers, I'll get like 6, 8, just so I have enough. But I did a cute little new hat. We've got a whale from previous years, flip-flops, sunglasses, SPF 30. Mind you, Jenny doesn't use any SPF. I should have done tan oil, because that's what Jenny uses. Anyways, girls, I don't even want to hear it about your skin cancer, but this, I thought it was cute. I thought it was cute. I did a grill. Girls, shout out for Grill Month. I thought it just so perfect. You're like putting it at the bottom of your page by your dinner slot on your page. Like, you know, your husband's going to go grill or you're going to grill. I have a gas grill. My husband's got the charcoal. So if I want to do something in the middle of the day, I just love cranking up that gas grill. I love it so much. I did a little tote bag for us girls. I did a beach ball I painted this year. So you've got some pulled forward that we don't get all year that you've seen before that just are fun to reuse. And then a lot of new. So girls, there you have it. The long awaited, since I'm past the due date. But at least you girls get to see what is coming in this box next week for you, I'm sure, is when it all will arrive. Let me know in the comments what you think. And until next time.